Nvidia and a major American home builder just announced a pilot that will put AI data centers in people's backyards. And it could change the entire infrastructure map of artificial intelligence forever. Welcome back to AI Assets, the channel where we break down the biggest moves in AI and tech investing every single day. This week, Nvidia and PulteGroup, one of America's largest home builders, confirmed a pilot program to install mini AI compute nodes directly into new residential properties in Nevada and Arizona. 100 nodes in Q3 2026. If successful, the rollout could cover thousands of homes. Let that sink in. AI computing infrastructure in suburban backyards. This is not a gimmick. It is a direct response to one of the most critical bottlenecks in the AI boom: the fact that centralized data centers simply cannot be built fast enough. Right now, the demand for AI compute is so extreme that every major tech company is on waiting lists for data center capacity. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta are collectively spending over $130 billion per quarter just trying to keep up. And still, it is not enough. Building a traditional data center takes 3 to 5 years. It requires enormous amounts of land, water, electricity, and permits. In many U.S. states, local communities are actively protesting new data center projects, blocking permits and slowing construction. Nvidia and PulteGroup's solution is radical. Instead of one giant centralized facility, build a distributed network of thousands of small compute nodes embedded directly into the housing infrastructure. Less land, less water, less political resistance, and infinitely more scalable. For investors, the implications are enormous. This is not just a story about Nvidia selling more chips, though it absolutely is that too. This is a story about an entirely new category of real estate emerging: homes with embedded AI infrastructure, smart developments that generate passive compute revenue for homeowners, REITs that specialize in distributed AI computing networks. Think about what this means for the housing market. A new home in Nevada or Arizona that comes with an AI compute node could command a premium the same way a solar panel installation adds value today. And think about what it means for the energy sector. Distributed AI nodes need power: reliable, clean, local power. That is a direct catalyst for residential solar, battery storage, and local grid companies. This is AI infrastructure going truly mainstream. Not in server farms in remote locations. Not in industrial parks outside cities. In the neighborhoods where people actually live. The age of the AI-powered home has officially begun. If you want to stay ahead of the investment ideas that nobody else is talking about yet, subscribe to AI Assets right now.